I graduated from SDM. I'm a naturopath, having fundamentals on the spa therapies. Basically, we concentrate on the massage, manipulative therapy. We concentrate the Chinese medicine. We know about the in and outs of the magnetotherapy. We study fasting therapy, nutrition, dietetics. There comes my fundamental, my basic foundation for the whole my career. Eventually, when I graduated, I came out. I was looking into venues of getting into a job, basically as a doctor. Our options basically lied in front of us was getting as a a clinical practitioner in one of the hospitals, naturopathy hospitals or Ayurveda hospitals, or getting as an Ayurveda doctor in a 5-star resort. I did a lot of research there also to understand the international standards, because in Indian market we don't have that standard modulation of how a spa has to be, how it really works. Nothing is standard. We need to work on it. There's a lot of hard work has to be done right now. So there I got to know about the standard operating modules, manuals, the protocols, the treatment standards, the marketing strategies, which was basically the influx of these strategies was from international consultants or international franchise venue. The next task or the challenge I faced in my career was getting into the right, execution of a project in terms of the right budget. Not everybody has 1 CR, 2 CR, 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs to actually execute. They have a passion to do, a passion to start a salon or a spa, but they don't have the right budgets. We can make available the proper interiors or the equipments or anything else in their budget. It is possible. It is possible. I have done a spa which is just 10 lakhs. It is possible. You need to get into depth of the raw materials, of the interiors. You need to get in depth of the equipments. You need to tap the market where you get the indigenously manufactured equipments. That's where I stepped into the trading, importing. There were a lot of challenges in terms of, there were competitors, 3, 4, less players, but it was a very strong competition. But I never laid back. I put my efforts into trading and importing. Started manufacturing the spa equipments, a little bit of massage beds, and a couple of things which I could manufacture, fabricate in my workshop. Well, I backed a couple of projects. I completed them. And also, the next task was, yes, you did a spa, but can you offer a management service? Because the resource right now in India is like semi-skilled, unskilled is more, skilled is less. So getting the semi-skilled section to a skilled category was the major challenge. And getting the skilled staff and providing the resource for the spas, which I did, was a task which I faced, and I'm successfully, giving consultancy services for the same. Recently, I also, I have specialized. Now it's time to execute. Execute is basically this is a totally different game altogether. Here again, you start with the concept development. It is with the consultant who does the design development. So what I do is I sit down with the owner, I consult them, what is their requirement, because it's not me, it's them who are going to stay in that salon. So it's like, I sit down with them, understand what is their need, and in terms of the interior concepts, what they need and what are the equipments they need. So we define the floor plans. We give them 3 different floor plans. One is, once a floor plan is approved, we start developing the design in terms of the walls, in terms of the, ceiling, in terms of the mechanical, plumbing, electrical layouting, and texturings, the lighting, and also the flooring and artifacts, the decor. So we actually sit down and make a complete list of the BOQ in terms of the interior design and also the equipments. It is predefined. We have standardized all these things, and we give a budget to the owners. And that's where, once the approval is done, we start executing the project. It's called project management services. We do that.